is our 2018 Outdoors RV 23 BKS model. Has a power tongue jack, dual batteries, front storage, alloy wheels with Goodyear tires and off-road suspension, more storage, more rear storage, access ladder to access anything up above, along with the rear camera, and a full-size spare. Come over to the inside, you have carpeted steps. This is the main bedroom with the queen-size bed, overhead storage, side storage, solar panel. Keeps the battery charged when it's not in use. Flat screen in the bedroom. Has level indicators. Switch the water heater from propane to electric. Then we have flat screen television in the dining area kitchen with the Furrion Entertainment Center. Dining room for 4. Converts to sleeping quarters. Digital thermostat controls the forced air heating and forced air conditioning system. Bathroom with a tub for the little ones. Shower, skylight, toilet, sink, and of course the mirror and sink. Bunk beds, top and bottom. Bottom one is being used for storage right now. There's an 8 cubic foot refrigerator, really good size, can fit a lot of food in there. And then a freezer, of course, fairly large size as well. Microwave, stove, oven, double-sided sink, a convenient shelf. And that is about it for our trailer that we're trying to let some other family enjoy.